Kathy. My name is Marissa Jones. In today's video, we are doing something along the lines of a look-alike because we've both heard that we look alike. So today we're going to try to make ourselves look really alike.
Yep.
Dress alike and everything. So y'all kind of, hang around, see what we're doing. Don't go anywhere.
Stay tuned.
All right, Kathy.
Just stay tuned. So, I'm happy working with Marissa. This is going to be our first video together. Hopefully we're going to do more.
Yes.
And get more views, as time goes on. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Just stay tuned as we do our own thing. Just chill.
All right.
Thinking about your love.
Everybody get chopped down. Place it up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
We're going with one of Jackie Aina's looks. We're using her palette. We both own her palette. We have a lot in common. So we're going to use these colors. We're doing this one, this one, a little bit of this, and then that.
I don't know how you do it, but I usually start with my eyebrows.
Me too. I got you a video today.
Oh, I'm It's like Marissa's a good person.
Oh.
Yeah, she's a nice person, so he's okay with it. And anything related to makeup, he's excited.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Hey.
He wanted me to do my own makeup.
For the wedding?
Yeah. And I was like, no, I want to feel pampered.
I know.
I don't want any stress.
I know. Oh, Charlie. The thing too is you know how you want to look. So you're like, yeah, I want to be pampered, but she better get it right.
He's like, I don't want any nyama makeup. Makeup.
She did good.
Yeah.
The hair was
very
nice.
That
hair was nice. Them hair
was
never
everything. Lady B way Magdalene.
So be my one now. You just put it on here.
Obe home no be from the scratch. Obo mukondo no and all of that and then fix it. Oh, chedi me chair. Chedi me chair, but I really wanted to fix that hair.
It was nice.
Yeah. I'm like, I'm not doing any black hair.
Now we say we are trying to make each other look like each other. Okay, let me see your shape. But now I have an idea what I like. Well, your brow. Or your dark power. Penciler.
Yeah, pencil.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, me pet dark to do. I am done for them.
Those times, I used to think that black and fatter, but I don't know. I got
maybe
used
it's
to
your face because it really actually does look good. Yeah, well, I didn't do. So yeah, miss me. Yeah, miss each other. Maybe ain't an hour.
Yeah. You try some no.
Shafi, get ready, why? Who put it? Look for well for Bible. I show you how far. No, when I want you back, you want to obey them.
I'm going to the club.
I tell you.
At least
She found a bit less of it. I don't for one snow club or.
But the time about the feeling we release is stress.
Charlie, stress yourself a quite. Stress now with the point. Because first I stress in the brief. You would have stress in the brief.
So I was in Nibu for Bible.
Oh, my friend in your neck.
So must be a funny dama.
Hope you will be too far. Yeah, I'm in your Let me see where I do your thing. Wow, your color has popped, Papa.
It's like I'm doing well.
Let me see you on your face.
But I like the dark, like the way the thing looks.
That be
yeah.
Let me balance it small.
API you see. No, it's the same thing.
Why you do? Siri. What's the hey Siri? What's the
Let me try it for you.
Master,
Hey Siri.
let me tell you. What is it when I have what's Sister where you're crossing?
I'm so bad it. I think earlier series no they are friendly. The new series no they are so full of themselves.
Okay, me say did Siri just say I didn't cross someone.
Oh, I like my look. I like the other side no, it's giving me something.
So we just finished doing our face. We try to look as alike as possible. I don't know if we captured it, but we have the same shadow and everything, same lips, same yellow shirt.
Yep.
We got this hair from a company on Amazon, and we're using it to do our look-alike video. So we just want to share with you guys this hair. It is synthetic, and I'll bring it a little close. It's synthetic. It feels very synthetic. I will say when you wet it, it looks much better in person when you wet it. When it starts to look old, I can imagine how it would look very obviously synthetic. But when you wet it, it looks much better. So I did put water in mine, and I think it dimmed that shine a little bit. Comes with this pins in the front, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then there's one pin in the back, and there are adjustable straps for your scalp or your head. And then the band that's in the front actually belts like this around your head.
I think this is one of my favorite. I just love this thing.
The belt,
Yeah,
I've never seen that. And the fact that it is very elastic, y'all look, it stretches. So if your head is a little bit bigger, you can still wear it. Hold on, let me put on my straps in first. And I'm gonna try it on. I have a big head, so this one, it fits her just great. But for me, I have to really yank it because I have a big head. So first impression of this on my head, am I uncomfortable? No, I'm okay.
yeah. And it's so easy to fix, you know. It's so easy to put on.
Well, if you're interested in this hair, I will link the information in the description box below. So y'all, what y'all think? Do we look alike?
Do we look alike?
We'll pass for sisters, maybe? I don't have the cheekbones though. I'm gonna have to go get me some plastic surgery or something. We're gonna change our clothes and take some pictures for you guys, and y'all can come with us, see us play with our look-alike clothes and all that.
Hey, what am I doing?